What is LinkedIn and how does it work? So if you want to know about LinkedIn and how it works, then just watch this video. First, you need to open up your browser and you need to search for LinkedIn. After searching, now you can go with linkedin.com, which will take you to the official website. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform where individuals and businesses connect for career growth, job opportunities, and industry insights. It works like a social media platform but focuses on professional relationships. So, if you want to know how LinkedIn works, then the first thing is profile creation. Users create a profile with their photo, work experience, education, and skills. You can go with login or sign up and you can create your profile. After that, connect with colleagues, recruiters, and professionals in your industry. Companies post jobs and individuals can apply directly. Recruiters also find candidates based on profiles. So make sure that your profile is good. And LinkedIn Learning offers courses to enhance your skills. Companies use LinkedIn for branding, lead generation, and industry discussions. Overall, it's a great platform for career development, job hunting, and professional networking. You can go with My Network, which is on the top right, or you can also go with jobs so that you can find some jobs in LinkedIn. You can also go with messaging if you have gotten any messages. You will have all of your messages right here. You will get some job offers and you will have the notifications. Make sure to check your notifications. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.